Hello guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Nephi. I'm a band vocalist and I'm a YouTube reactor. Today I'll be reacting to Katrna Velarde from the Philippines. She will be singing Coming Out of the Rain. This was in Hollywood, oh my goodness. So I knew that she went to the States I don't know the exact reason actually, but I don't want to say something that is not true really. Yeah, I'm being careful right here. Anyway guys, I'm just excited to listen to her version of Coming Out of the Rain. This is a hard song and it became popular in the Philippines because of Shireen Reyes' version. And I know she's gonna kill this because she's got the range and the power as well. And yeah, I'm very excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's go check this out. Got my piano right here just in case there will be crazy notes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So this is with Troy Loretta and the Assembly. Troy Loretta sounds familiar though. I kind of heard him that name somewhere. I love this song. She got her twist right there. Nice little note right there. Yes. Nice. Yes. She is obviously holding back because it's just her first chorus. She knows. Love that. Very clean, well done.
No one but you, but I stray. I know I made you blue. You spoke into my very soul. You warmed my heart that once was cold. Now I'm so glad to know.
Yes! Love that. Yes, yes, yes. Love that. I love her runs. It's so clean. Yeah, I love the changes that she's doing. Oh my gosh. No break right there, straight up. Yeah, that was an E5. Oh my gosh. G5? Wow. This song is really challenging, I'm telling you guys. Justice to this song. Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am.
Baby, come out of the rain.
And I'm telling you, this is live. She killed it. Hear that? Everyone was shouting and cheering for her. She is that good. Like, this woman, she is just super talented. And I'm happy for her that she was able to showcase her talent in the US. And I heard that she was invited to World's Best and even in the singer show in China, but she, for some reason, she declined. I heard it because that is because she wanted to take care of her son. So it was so nice of her, actually, you know, because most of us would probably grab the opportunity, but in her case, she would not sacrifice the times that she will be with her son, just to, you know, to go for those things, which are actually uncertain, you know. There are a lot of singers who went to all those contests internationally, but apparently after the show is over, nothing really happened, you know, nothing much really changed in their career. So that must have been one of the reasons why she did not, you know, dare, you know, to take the risk. Anyway, that was just my opinion. And back to this performance of Katrina, she did great. I mean, Shireen is Shireen, but Katrina has her own attack to it. Like, I didn't hear Shireen's style in this song, but it was a different flavor. It was Katrina's version. And I love the fact that when she goes up, you can really feel the intensity and the power, and that she's not afraid, you know? She just hit all those notes, E5, F sharp 5, and that was just crazy. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for letting me watch this very beautiful rendition of Katrina's Coming Out of the Rain. And if you got more videos of her that want me to react to, you know the drill, comment right down below. And you could also send me your messages and requests by Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. They're all at the description box right down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye.